Okay, so somebody asked about number 6 on the L'Hopital's. So number 6 was this craziness, the limit as theta is approaching pi over 2 of 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus cosine of 2 theta. Okay, if we plug in theta here, right, sine of theta is 1, so that's going to be 0. Cosine, okay, let's see, 2 times pi over 2 is just pi, so cosine of pi is -1, so 1 minus 1. Okay, so we know that L'Hopital's applies. Okay, so we take the derivative of the top, and the derivative of sine is cosine. Right? I do have a negative sign out in front, so I'll keep that. For the denominator, I am going to need to use a little bit of chain rule there. So if you need to write it out, then write it out. The derivative being negative sine times 2, so negative 2 sines of 2 theta. Okay, now let's try again. So cosine of pi over 2 is 0. Doesn't matter that we have a negative there. Let's see, sine, so 2 times pi over 2 is pi, so sine of pi, that's 0 as well. So we have 0 over 0. So we're going to use L'Hopital's again. So we're going to take that derivative again. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine, but that cancels that. So we're left with sine theta. The denominator, I'm going to use chain rule again. Derivative of that is negative 2 cosines of u, and the derivative of that is 2. So we're going to have negative 4 cosines of 2 theta. Okay, hopefully this madness ends here. So sine of pi over 2, oh, that's 1. Okay, it's definitely going to end. Great, great. We're not going to have 0 over 0, no matter what happens. So let's see. 2 times pi over 2 is pi, so cosine of pi is -1 times -4, so that's 4. Okay, there we go. So we got 1/4. Okay, so that's why the answer for 6 is 1/4.